So we left you guys last time from Disney, Oklahoma, this beautiful sunset. And now we're starting our next project in the wonderlands of Colorado. So we'll show you the building that we're going to work on. It's very similar to what you've seen in Oklahoma. Another shed. So we're going to turn it into a beautiful little tiny home for a young man. And as you can see, it was a storage shed. And now we're going to make it something beautiful.
We thought it'd be fun for you guys to get a little sneak peek of what we're trying to accomplish in this build. So this is a 9.5 by 20 shed, and it also has a loft area. We're hoping that we can make the living room look like this. You can see the tongue and the groove on the ceiling. You can also see the video space. He loves his video games. It'll have a couch on the left and a beautiful front door. If you flip around, you have this kitchen area. It's going to be small but functional. That's a microwave. He'll have some shelving. He'll also have a fridge. He has a big sink. You can also see the loft space. It'll have a ladder for him to get up there as well. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom in this particular build is going to be extraordinary. The bathroom is the place that he likes. And so we're going to have floor to ceiling tiles. You can see there's a big bathtub. It's going to be a zero entry type of wet area. And you know that those are the cool things that we like to do. This tub will be movable as well. But you can also see everything in here will be very easy to clean. And that's the other thing about this, that we want to make this really functional for him. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss what this looks like in the end.
About forgot to do a before video. So we're stripping things out here. Shelves down, little corner stuff. Keeping Ty Guy out of trouble.
Hi.
So we're gonna make this a really awesome man cave, tiny house. So we're doing a little time lapse here for you so we can look like squirrels working. But we're tearing out anything that's inside here. We're taking all of the insides out. The gentleman that had this home before made this into his little storage shed workshop. So it was lined and it has some insulation in there. But we need everything out of here so that we can go back in with electrical and plumbing. And once we have all that stuff in, then we're going to put spray foam all the way around it so that it's nice and cozy. So we're building the walls that you've seen. This is going to be the kitchenette area that's going up right now. Get our pocket door in here in just a couple of little quick seconds. But this way, everything is kind of flow together. We kind of surveyed that top where the loft bed's going to go. We added some 2x6s in there for more strength. Hey folks, so we got another project going on. You've seen the video of our tiny house down, looks like a shed like this in Oklahoma. Well, this one here's back in Colorado. And this is for a young man who's fixing to step out and become more independent. But this way he can still be a little closer to his aunt so that he feels more secure. But this is going to be his little oasis. So we worked with him and his mom to create the design that works for him. And you can see we've got some framing done. This will be a bathroom back in here, kitchen area right in here. Have a nice big living room. He'll have his game boards over here on one wall, and we'll have a set of steps going up to his little loft bedroom. But this will give him the independence, yet still be secure because he's still close. So it's going to be a fun project, and what a blessing to get to help this young man venture out from the nest. So we want to kind of give you a close-up of the bathroom for this young man. He loves his bath. So his bathroom is kind of a sanctuary for him to rejuvenate and kind of reset for the day, the end of the day. So this whole big area is going to be the bathroom. So this is going to be a wet shower tub area. So it will be sloped all the way to this wall. There will be a linear drain running along this wall. And there's going to be a bathtub that's a little over 5'6" that sits in this area. And then this will be almost a 4-foot section as well for the shower. So the shower head will come out of here and come out, and so he'll have a shower here, and then there'll be a toilet over here. But this whole back area, and actually the rest of the floor as well, will be all tile. The walls will be all tile all the way around. That way, doesn't matter what's going on, everything can be wet. It'll be a totally wet area and easy to clean because the tile will meet each other and it'll be easy to keep clean. So this gives him a little place that he can relax, can sit in his big old bathtub and just chill and reflect on the day and be ready for the next day. So I think he's gonna love it. He's really excited for us to do this build for him, and his mother and his aunt are excited as well. So this will be a lot of fun, and we'll keep you posted as we go to show you what we do, the process of making it a 0 entry shower. There won't be a curb, it'll be just one sheet. So it'll be really nice and easy to get around in and keep clean. So stay tuned. So here we've got the front all tore off. See, we've reframed and got the new door in. And we're taking all these off because of the rot that was around the bottom of it. And but now you can see what we're dealing with. The structure inside is in really good shape. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. So, and once we put spray foam insulation in all of these walls, it's really going to make it strong and sturdy as well as being just completely cozy. We've used the spray foam insulation in many of our projects, our tiny home, cargo trailers, and have found it to be probably one of the best installations around. So here we have our flooring for the main area and our tile for the floor in the bathroom. It's just going to be so cool when it gets all done. You notice the back wall still plywood, and then the side looks different. It's because we haven't taken the back off yet. We've got a quick video coming that you'll see where we take the back off and I finish doing that. And then we'll have some pictures of the siding finished as well as the trim put on. So stay tuned and watch it keep watching.
And here he goes on the back, taking off all of the trim so that he can get to those pieces of siding. And you can see there's some rot up there as well. So it's a good thing we're taking all this off. Where did he go? Yeah, where did he go? Well, come to find out, as you can see, he went to the neighbors and had lunch with the neighbors. I can't leave him alone for anything. He always finds new friends. And you can see he is going about it just like a little squirrel, again on the backside, replacing all the siding, one piece at a time. But he manages to get it completed before it starts to rain.
Well, the end of the day here on Friday. It's the end of the day, and did some cleanup in here. Trying to get this place a little more organized than what it was. When it's messy, it just drives me crazy. So, got that all done. Got our nice new door installed. Start to sprinkle a little bit. Sprinkle just a little, so it's all good. But today, we finished taking the siding off. As you can see, we also got all the trim done. So everything is trimmed now. Go around, corners are trimmed, all new siding, looking good. Here's the old stuff. Found more rot on it. That's the biggest reason we replaced all this siding, was the fact that the bottom was rotted. And also, underneath this board here was also rotted. So this way we won't have any trouble in the future. But as you can see, we got it all trimmed out, looking better, and nailed on good. Corners are nice and tight. And we're gonna, when we go back together, we're gonna make sure that we keep the rocks away from the bottom of that. And we'll also paint underneath there so that it won't be like a wick and just soak water up and rot again. So planning on a new roof at some point, but wanted to kind of give you a catch up of the week of what we've got done. So full new exterior. We cut out a doggy door that was in there and reframed for it. Cut the window out. We'll replace it in a different location. As you can see, we got our nice new door in, and it locks and everything. But good progress for the first week or so here. Really enjoying this project. Had a nice visit with the homeowners again today, and we'll keep you posted with more stuff here. So I hope you're enjoying our stuff, and yeah, have a great weekend.